Pay-as-you-go plans bill the client directly after each session. To create a pay-as-you-go plan, go to the Plans tab on the left-hand navigation, click Add Plan in the top right, select the Pay-as-you-go option, and then call this something that would be easily searchable. It is recommended to call it Pay-as-you-go with the rate. This rate will prorate depending on the length of the session. Auto pay preferences can be determined for this plan and then submitted. Now, what does enrolling and scheduling look like under this plan? Under the student profile, they can be enrolled in a particular service with the pay-as-you-go plan and the proper instructor. They can then be added to the schedule and under the student's profile, all of their sessions are visible under the Attendance tab. Now, what happens during and after the session? After the session, the instructor will mark attendance. Marking attendance is the most important thing with this plan because it is the exact action that triggers the invoice to be generated and the client to be billed. After marking attendance for this session, navigating to the parent's profile will show that an invoice was generated for that session. Going into the next session and marking attendance will generate another invoice for that date. It can be configured for these invoices to send automatically, or they can be emailed in bulk manually. What does this email look like? Clicking into the invoice and selecting the three dots in the top right allows for a preview of the exact email that will go out to the client. Here, the total balance is displayed, along with a link to pay and an itemized list of the session this invoice is for. Clicking the direct link to pay opens up a page to input payment information and pay the invoice directly.